Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is STEWARTRTX. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can just unlock this new model of itel 2160. It is MediaTek. If you don't know phone password or you have just forgotten, this video will guide you how to unlock it for free. Just if you want all unlock tool, you can just take it to my bio to download. This is itel 2160 MediaTek. A lot of people have been asking me to do this video voiceover, so I can guide you how you can just unlock it for free. Remember, you need to start with Miracle Box. As you can see, I have just opened Miracle Box. Then open your device manager on your laptop or PC. Now that's the boot key. As you can see, just hold it and make sure the phone charging port is working correctly. It can read USB data cable, and make sure you are using USB data cable. As you can see, my Miracle Box, it say port error, it bring me that error. Now what next step is to update the driver from MediaTek to MTK. Just follow my steps. I'm going to update my driver just like this. You can check it to my bio to download it. Just this how to update it. And if you receive any error of updating that driver, you must disable driver signature on your laptop or PC. Basically, if you are using Windows 10 or 11, as you can see, I have just updated the driver from MediaTek to MTK. So now disconnect your battery and plug it back. Remember, it is so important to you to use Miracle Box to update the driver, because you can't use any other tool to update the driver except Miracle Box. And remember to use the boot key before inserting the USB cable. As you can see, it brought me the same error, port error. That means it is not working. You can't read password use Miracle Box, but it's so important to you to use it to update the driver. So now go to your Windows Defender and switch it off, because the next tool won't open before disabling that Windows Defender. Before opening the next tool, you can just check it to my bio if you don't have it. I'm using GSM Aladdin. You can just check it all version to my bio. I'm using version 1.37. Just open it. Now go to MediaTek. Before, unplug the battery again and plug it back again. Now go to MediaTek, read password, then click connect and then start. Remember to use boot key, and it is so important to you to use Miracle Box to update the driver. As you can see, it is reading the password. It is working perfect to you. And remember, this video is for educational purpose only. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. As I said, it is so important to you to use Miracle Box to update the driver, to update that MTK driver from MediaTek. As you can see, I have just found the password. use that password to unlock the phone. You can just dial *#0 to factory set it and set up a new phone password. That's all guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for the next video like this. This video is for educational purpose only, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. You can share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.